Today, we're discussing what happens when you need to cancel or deactivate that number. You see, DOT numbers aren't just random digits. They're your ticket to legally operating commercial vehicles in the U.S. But sometimes you might need to say goodbye to that DOT number. Maybe business is slowing down, or you're switching gears in your industry. Whatever the reason, knowing the process is key. First off, let's chat about why you might need to cancel. Aside from closing your business, maybe you're switching from interstate to intrastate, or vice versa. Each situation has its quirks, so it's crucial to figure out exactly what you need. Before you start the cancellation process, it's important to double-check that all your company records are up to date. That includes things like your operating status, insurance filings, and safety reviews. Having accurate records not only speeds up the deactivation, but also helps avoid red flags or unnecessary follow-ups from the FMCSA. It's a bit like cleaning up your workspace before you turn out the lights. Leaving things in order just makes life easier later. Now, the big question: how do you cancel or deactivate? It's not as easy as snapping your fingers. You have to deal with some forms, and trust me, they can be a handful. It's like putting together a puzzle without knowing what the final picture should look like. That's where experts come in handy. But don't worry, you're not alone in this. Our team at movingauthority.com is here to help. We've got the experience to handle all the paperwork and red tape for you. No need to stress about the nitty-gritty details. Now, here's why it's smart to get professional help. The forms you need? They can be tricky. Missing a single detail can mess things up big time. Plus, regulations are always changing, so it's important to have someone who's up to date with everything involved. And what about the timeline? Don't expect things to happen overnight. Processing these cancellations can take time. Patience is your best friend here. Yet the last thing you want is a surprise fine or fee because something wasn't done right. At Moving Authority, we have your back. We ensure everything's squared away so you can focus on moving forward with your business plans. Whether you're shutting down or changing operations, saving time and stress is invaluable. Got questions or need further assistance? Head over to movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430, where we turn this perplexing process into a breeze. Join our community, where we share insights, stories, and advice from people who've been through it all. So to wrap it up, canceling or deactivating a DOT number might seem daunting, but with the right guidance, you'll have it under control. Cheers to making informed decisions and navigating this with ease. And remember, you've always got Moving Authority by your side to make the journey a little less bumpy.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.